So how do you replace your front differential fluid in your 2019 and up Ram? Stay tuned. This is how. So what you're going to need for this is 2 quarts of 7590, as you can see here. I'm using Amsoil. And then an 8mm hex. Always start with the fill plug. You don't want to take the drain plug out and then not be able to get the fill plug out and be screwed. Make sure all this is off and clean with your drain plug. Spray a little brake clean on it. Nice and dry, clean. Torque it down. Not crazy. No crazy torque here. Alright, so now it's time to fill it up. Go ahead and fill it up until it just starts coming out here. Until it stops, plug it up. You really don't want to overfill these things. A lot of aftermarket companies talk about that, and you want these to be as close to stock recommendations as possible. They're pretty smart people. Also, I see people use power tools when they get their plugs started. That's absolutely not recommended. If you see anybody using the power tool to get these threads started, actually turn that video off right away. Done. Do make sure you clean up though. That's all you gotta do. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Until next time. Later.